In this video, we'll show you 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon designed to streamline cooking tasks, from prepping ingredients to cleanup and storage. Let's get started. These generously sized 19.5 by 14-inch liners are a game changer for your drawers and shelves. Easily customizable, they cut to fit perfectly in any space, ensuring complete coverage and a beautiful aesthetic. Infused with luxurious French lavender essence, these drawer liners do more than just protect. They transform your storage experience. The high-quality fragrance oil is directly incorporated into the paper, creating a long-lasting, sophisticated scent that gently perfumes your clothes and linens. Whether you're drying dishes, protecting your countertops, or need a heat-resistant surface, this mat has you covered. Experience incredible durability with heat resistance up to a remarkable 450 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for hot pots, baking sheets, and kitchen tools. Its incredible versatility means you can use it as a sink liner, refrigerator mat, pet food tray, or even a protective surface for your countertops. The soft, flexible silicone material allows you to roll or fold the mat effortlessly, making storage a breeze. Crafted from premium laminated wood and sized at 29.5 inch by 22 inch, this versatile stove cover is more than just a kitchen accessory. It's a game-changing design element that transforms your cooking space. Unlock instant counter space and protect your stove with style. This multi-purpose marvel serves as both a practical cover and an elegant serving tray, allowing you to effortlessly transport food and drinks from kitchen to dining area. Its charming farmhouse aesthetic instantly elevates your kitchen's look, hiding burners and creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Designed to connect seamlessly to your KitchenAid stand mixer, this versatile grain mill transforms your kitchen into a professional-grade grinding station with incredible ease. Grind a world of possibilities with this remarkable attachment. From wheat and oats to rice, corn, barley, buckwheat, and millet, you'll have complete control over your grain processing. With 12 precision grinding levels, you can create everything from coarse, cracked grains to ultra-fine flour, all with a simple turn of the dial. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this heavy-duty rack is built to withstand the toughest kitchen environments, passing a rigorous 24-hour salt test and capable of supporting up to 200 pounds. Experience unmatched versatility with its expandable design, stretching from 20.87 inch to 37.6 inch to fit virtually any kitchen sink. The two-layer rack maximizes your space, with the top floor doubling as a convenient shelf for kitchen essentials. Ingeniously designed to drain directly into the sink, this rack eliminates water pooling and keeps your countertops dry and clean. Engineered with innovative design and premium materials, this stainless steel sink caddy is more than just a storage solution. It's a game changer for your kitchen cleanup routine. Experience the magic of instant drying with the revolutionary diatomaceous earth absorbent pad. Say goodbye to wet, messy sponges, and hello to a completely dry surface in just 30 seconds. The holder features 3 thoughtfully designed compartments: a detachable brush holder, a bottle storage section, and a dedicated sponge space, giving you ultimate flexibility in organizing your kitchen tools. Say goodbye to bulky colanders and messy transfers. This strainer clips directly onto your pots, pans, and bowls, ensuring a seamless, mess-free straining process every single time. Designed with universal compatibility, these sturdy clips fit nearly every round cooking vessel, from large pots to small bowls. Whether you're draining pasta, ground beef, vegetables, or fruits, the YEVIOR clip-on strainer makes the task effortless. It can withstand temperatures up to 230 degrees, guaranteeing durability and performance. Crafted from high-temperature nylon, this strainer can withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees, offering unparalleled durability and performance in your kitchen. Thoughtfully designed to make cooking easier, this strainer comes as a set of 2 different colored scoops, measuring an impressive 13.4 inches long. Its larger than average size increases your cooking efficiency, while strategically placed mesh holes allow for quick and effortless draining. The non-skip, long handle provides extra protection, keeping your hands safe from hot splashes and making cooking a more comfortable experience. Designed with innovation and safety in mind, this compact powerhouse transforms the way you cook in the great outdoors. Featuring a revolutionary foldable bucket design, this propane stove collapses into a compact form for effortless storage and transport. But don't let its small size fool you. When fully extended, it's a robust cooking machine capable of supporting pots up to 10 inches in diameter. With an impressive 1400 watts of power and a windproof alloy hob, you'll enjoy strong, consistent heat in any environment. This ingenious device transforms the way you cook hard-boiled eggs, making peeling a breeze and eliminating the frustration of stubborn shells. Designed with precision and convenience in mind, this compact egg piercer is your secret weapon for perfect eggs every time. Simply place the raw egg on the stainless steel needle and gently press, creating a small, precise hole that makes shell removal effortless. Weighing just 26 grams and crafted from durable ABS and rust-resistant stainless steel, it's both lightweight and incredibly practical. This state-of-the-art sink integrates cutting-edge technology with unparalleled functionality, transforming your kitchen workspace into a high-tech culinary command center. Experience innovation with its nano sink design, featuring a multifunctional one-piece faucet that includes cup washer, curtain waterfall, and pull-out capabilities. The piano key water outlet lets you effortlessly switch between modes with a simple press. Stay informed with the LED real-time water temperature display and precise temperature control handwheel. Maximize your kitchen organization with the Yivinow 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer. This ingenious solution holds 3 essential roles: plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and paper towels, all in one compact, space-saving design. Featuring a built-in 2-way sliding cutter, this organizer ensures safe, precise cutting for all your kitchen wrap needs. Compatible with multiple brands and paper types, it offers convenience and versatility at your fingertips. The magnetic base allows easy attachment to metal surfaces like refrigerators, while included hooks provide flexible mounting options. With 4 smart temperature presets ranging from 113 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, this compact marvel lets you brew coffee, tea, and oatmeal with precision at the touch of an LCD screen. Weighing just 0.9 pounds and measuring 8.66 inches, this kettle is designed for adventurers and professionals on the go. Experience rapid boiling with automatic shutoff and enhanced safety features. The upgraded design prevents scalding and ensures stability, making it the ideal travel kettle for camping, office, or business trips. Revolutionize your bathroom maintenance with the TubShroom, the award-winning hair catcher that prevents drain clogs effortlessly. Designed to fit standard 1.5-inch to 1.75-inch drains, this device catches hair discreetly without disrupting water flow. No more messy drain cleaners or expensive plumber visits. The TubShroom collects hair neatly inside the drain, making cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe and go. Its patented design has already protected over 6 million drains. Protect your pipes, save money, and keep your bathroom clean with this must-have accessory. This versatile sandwich press heats ingredients, melts cheese, and creates a perfectly crispy outer crust with just one simple press. Forget complicated cooking methods. In just 5 minutes or less, you'll have hot, mouth-watering sandwiches. The ready-to-cook indicator lights let you know exactly when it's time to start cooking. With non-stick plates, you can create healthier meals without added oil or butter, and cleanup is a breeze. Compact and powerful, this 750-watt sandwich maker is perfect for any kitchen, from dorm rooms to RVs. This comprehensive set includes everything from saucepans and frying pans to grill pans, with innovative features that transform your cooking experience. Save up to 70% of your storage space with stackable design and removable handles. Each handle is professionally tested to support up to 22 pounds, ensuring stability and reliability. The unique granite nonstick coating is lead-free, PFOA-free, and allows for healthier cooking with minimal oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, these pans heat quickly and evenly. Crafted from high-quality rubber, these gloves shield your hands from corrosive liquids while keeping you comfortable and dry. Experience unmatched comfort with soft, flock-lined material that makes wearing a breeze. The thicker design prevents tearing and punctures, ensuring long-lasting durability. The innovative fish scale pattern on the palm and fingers provides superior grip, making it easy to handle wet and greasy items. Available in 4 sizes and vibrant colors, these gloves are perfect for kitchen, bathroom, laundry, and countless cleaning tasks. This 6-piece set includes 3 different sizes of clear, stackable organizers designed to transform any drawer in your home. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, offices, and beyond, these transparent organizers let you instantly see and access your items. From makeup and skincare to office supplies and kitchen utensils, organization has never been easier. Crafted from non-toxic, odorless plastic, these organizers feature rounded corners and smooth edges to protect your drawers and belongings. This 16-piece set serves 4 with a striking black matte finish that brings contemporary elegance to your table. Crafted from high-quality stoneware, each piece features a postmodern lipped rim design that adds a touch of sophistication. The set includes 10.25-inch dinner plates, 7.5-inch salad plates, 6.3-inch bowls, and 12-ounce handled mugs, all in a sleek ebony color that exudes urban chic. Combining rustic charm with modern convenience, these dishes are 100% dishwasher and microwave safe. This dual-compartment trash can features color-coded green and black 30-liter bins, making waste and recycling separation effortless. Experience hands-free convenience with a durable stainless steel foot pedal that keeps your hands clean and germ-free. The slow-close lid ensures quiet, controlled closure, while the lid lock feature keeps the container open during longer tasks. Built with a fingerprint-resistant finish and an integrated odor control filter, this trash can combines practicality with sleek design.